There are two types of transferring: blind, which is the default on the phone, and consultative. To conduct a blind transfer while on your call, press the transfer key or the transfer soft key. Enter your extension or full 10-digit number and press send. For the consultative transfer, press the transfer key or the transfer soft key, then press consult on your bottom soft keys. Then enter your extension or full 10-digit number and press the send key. This will dial out to the transferring party and allow you to announce the caller before sending. Once the person is ready to take the call, press transfer again.